I'm John Bowen, owner and president of John Bowen Turf Company, and we're at my humble operation here in the heart of South Georgia. I tested several other systems before making the transition to Trimax, and honestly, when we made the switch, we enjoyed the single greatest gains to productivity out of any effort we ever made on this operation.
My name is Dennis Wright, located in Albany, Georgia. Our company is Wright Turf Farms. We started using Trimax mowers because the quality was a vast improvement over the mowers that we were currently running at the time.
I'm Brian Dunaway. I'm the owner of AP Turf in Hawkinsville, Georgia. Our experience with Trimax has been wonderful. Trimax is quicker, we have less downtime.
Our customers require the finest turf grass that can be produced, and so that's all that we use on my farm, are the finest systems, and Trimax meets that standard.
We probably have fewer grass clippings behind it than any other rotary mower we've ever run.
We chose the Trimax over other mowers simply because of the mowing quality and being able to adjust height quickly without having to worry about turnbuckles or things that wear out easy, and being able to maintain that height without having to worry about adjusting it every day.
And these are harsh conditions, so we needed something that could stand up to the rigors of 80-acre-a-day mowing.
Being able to get over that amount of acreage in a day's time frees up personnel to do other chores.
The shields are easy to pop up, wash out, put them back down. There's not a lot of parts to take off and put back on to clean up.
Maintenance of the Trimax mowers is minimal.
Transport's easier, folds up tighter.
We vary between 3/4 and 7/8 depending on the requirement of the customer, and we get nothing but positive reviews from our customers.
The cut is swift and quick, so we run a little faster than we would with real mowers, so labor's cheaper, less hours on our tractors, more productivity.
As far as Trimax service and parts, it's been nothing but great. We have no complaints at all in that area. They work very well with us. They're very fair, very responsive. Nothing but good praise there.
Just unparalleled service and quality of business.
Call or text, and they have pretty much an immediate response with Trimax.
Every day that you don't make the switch is just another day of missed gains, inefficient R&M expenditures. Just make the change, and you'll enjoy benefits right away.
I would definitely recommend the Trimax over real mowers or any other finish mower.
Anyone considering the purchase of a Trimax mower, I would strongly advise, especially if you want to get a lot done with your time, as little maintenance probably as is possible, and definitely probably the best quality cut that you will find, especially in a rotary mower.